Can you spot the difference? Most of you probably can't, so let's go. Giant versus colossal squid. Now, these two bad boys might seem like they're cut from the same cloth, but trust me, they're about as different as a dolphin and a shark when it comes to a tender date. Let's start with the giant squid. These suckers can grow up to 43 feet long, making them the ultimate party crasher in the deep sea. Their eyes are as big as a basketball. Now, the colossal squid is like the giant squid's beefed up cousin from the Antarctic. They can grow up to 46 feet long, making them the Shaquille O'Neal of squids, with their tentacles being thicker and more muscular than the giant squid, which means they're better equipped to handle the big stuff, like sperm whales and submarines. But the real difference between these two is their personalities. The giant squid is like that drunk guy at the party who's always starting fist fights and trying to show off his biceps. It uses its feeding tentacles